The energy world is changing fast, and the biggest story is not just renewables, not just AI, not just data centers, and not just nuclear. The real story is this: power is becoming the new strategic currency. For years, we talked about energy mainly through generation: solar, wind, gas, nuclear, and other sources. But now the conversation is moving to a much bigger question: who can produce power, move power, store power, and deliver power exactly where it is needed? That is where the future is being decided. AI is creating a new level of electricity demand. Data centers are no longer just technology facilities. They are becoming major power consumers, and in many regions, they are forcing the grid conversation to move faster. At the same time, renewable energy continues to grow. But renewables alone are not enough without transmission, substations, storage, protection systems, and grid stability. Nuclear energy and uranium are also coming back into the global conversation because the market is looking for reliable, large-scale, low-carbon power. Rare earth materials are becoming more important because they sit behind many clean energy, electrification, defense, robotics, and advanced technology supply chains. And high-voltage infrastructure is no longer a hidden part of the system. It is becoming one of the most important parts of global growth. So my take this week is simple. The next big opportunity is not in one single technology. It is in the connection between all of them: power transmission, renewable energy, nuclear energy, uranium, energy storage, GIS and high-voltage substations, AI and machine learning, data centers, rare earth supply chains, robotics, EPC execution, grid modernization. These are not separate industries anymore. They are becoming one connected infrastructure story. And the professionals who understand this connection will have a major advantage. The future grid will not be built by one sector alone. It will require engineers, project leaders, investors, utilities, developers, manufacturers, technology companies, and business leaders working together. The message is clear. The world does not only need more energy, it needs smarter, stronger, faster, and more resilient energy infrastructure. That is why this space matters. That is why these conversations matter. And that is why this professional network is becoming more relevant every week. Thank you for being part of it, and I'll see you next week with another perspective on the future of power, grid, AI, and global energy infrastructure.